So, how do you actually do a final walkthrough for your Airbnb? It basically involves thoroughly inspecting every room and area of your property before a new guest actually arrives. You want to ensure it's clean, it's well stocked with all the essentials, right? And anything here, all your appliances, they're free of damage. Everything here is functional, right? You want to verify the safety features are working. For example, the smoke detectors. And especially, essentially you're basically performing a detailed quality check to guarantee a positive guest experience. You don't want those bad reviews that can really hurt your listing. They basically, if you have bad reviews, it will hurt your visibility of your Airbnb. Okay? You want to ensure that there has been a positive guest experience. Now, here's some of the key areas to focus on during your final walkthrough. Cleanliness, guys, very, very important. Okay, you want to check for dust, check for dirt, check for cobwebs in all corners, right? You want to inspect all the surfaces, including countertops, tables, floors for cleanliness. Make sure everything is clean, right? Ensure all the dishes are washed, they're put in place, they're put away, verify that the bathrooms are spotless, okay? With fresh towels, toilet paper, right? And toiletries. You want to change the bed linens, pillowcases. You want to, okay, we talked about the appliances as well, and make sure everything is working. The coffee maker, check all the faucets, right? The shower heads, everything is working properly. We verify that the lighting fixtures that are available, like these ones, they actually work, okay? And make sure everything is functional. Test the lock doors and windows. Ensure that they open and close securely, right? Restock all the essential items: soap, shampoo, conditioner, hair soap, hand soap, laundry detergent, right? Ensure there's a sufficient supply of clean towels, washcloths, right? And of course, at the end, you can go ahead and provide a nice welcome note, give them instructions on how to access the Wi-Fi, give them a Wi-Fi password if you are providing that, right? And you can also go ahead and adapt your checklist based on the season. So if you have a checklist going on to check everything before a new guest arrives, you can go ahead and give, for example, extra blankets in the summer, more fans in the um, summer, and you can for winter you can also go ahead and provide a room heating. Sometimes you can give a lot more blankets. Make sure there's regular maintenance, perform routine maintenance checks, identify and address potential issues before they actually become problem for your guests. And that's how, guys, you do a final walkthrough for your Airbnb.